Hello from EasternCCTV. This is an overview of the NVMS 9000 interface. The first improvement of the N9000 is the wizard. We can actually configure a majority of the settings via the startup wizard. We can set up a password out of the box, as well as a security question. We can set up our time and time zone through the wizard, as well as network settings. We have quick access to scan the QR code. We also have the option to add cameras that are on the general network. The NVR will actually scan for cameras that are on the network, and we can add them from this wizard. We can format our hard disk and check the status. We can also set up our record settings. We now have a quick access bar, allowing us to do manual record, instant playback. We can enable audio, take snapshots, PTZ control. We can also digitally zoom. We can use our mouse wheel to zoom in and out. We can also adjust image settings, such as brightness, contrast, white dynamic. We also have lens control for motorized cameras. We can adjust the zoom, the focus, as well as the one-touch focus through here. We can easily switch through cameras. Another useful feature that has been introduced is single channel sequence. This allows us to select a channel on our layout and have different cameras cycle through. To do this, we must first create a camera group. We can select different cameras to go into this camera group, and once it's configured, we simply need to back out to the main menu, and then select single channel sequence, drag the channel that we want to cycle. On our menu bar, we can change channels to full screen. We can also change the channel layout of the system. We have a dwell option where we can enable, disable, as well as lower and increase the amount of time. We have our on-screen display that we can toggle. We also now have many quick information options. We can actually scan the QR code very easily. We can check our device model, hardware version, firmware version. We can check our camera statuses, make sure they're online, alarm statuses. We can check the details of the recordings. We also have a network status where we can see the IP address, the MAC address. We can see how much bandwidth we're actually using on the system. See our NAT status. We also now have disk information. We can also check our backup status here. Our playback options have actually greatly improved. Switch cameras in the quick access bars. You can back up multiple cameras at one time.